What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bomb Vlogs here, back at it again. We gotta get another video. I just want to do like an impromptu video, but it's basically I just want to bring you guys some content. So pretty much, so what we're gonna be talking about today is, hold on, let me turn to cinematic mode. Ooh yeah, that cinematic mode be busting. All right, you guys. So pretty much, I never did this video before, so what we're gonna do is 5 things I hate about my Ford Fusion Sport. All right, so the car is filthy right now, you guys. It's been super busy, so I'm gonna get out the focus. So, top number 1 thing, and don't get me wrong, you guys, this is not saying that don't like my content, give you guys a video just for content purposes only. So the very first thing I hate is the mod support. The mod support for these things are terrible, you guys. That's why I had to make my own custom kit, because there's no companies out here that make some custom kits, but there's one that does, and the kits are stupid. They're not stupid expensive, but for like the side skirts, bro, they wanted $300 for like super like flat side skirts, and I made my own for completely less. I ain't completely made my own, but okay, I completely made my own, but I want to clear this too. So when I say it's a custom kit, this is, when I mean custom, I mean all these parts that I found that are not specifically made for this car and are universal, that have never been on this car before. That's what I mean by custom. And some people get all misconstrued, like, oh bro, you just found these parts, whatever. No, I did not handcraft them. You're right, but however, they're not meant for the car. So at the end of the day, they are custom, right or wrong. Let me know in the comment section below, am I right or wrong? But anyway, guys, we got a bunch of trolls on the account. We got a bunch of trolls, but you know, that's what come with the that's what come with it. So I ain't tripping or whatever. But anyway, guys, so like I said, the mod support is terrible, and they like to upcharge on parts because there's nobody out there to buy them. So it makes sense. It's all come with the territory. So I get it. And also another thing I hate is the stock steering wheel. And why I say that, because don't get me wrong, it's heated, but I'm gonna show y'all right now. So I only got like 32,000 miles on the car. That's it. But let me try to get it. I can't really see. But on the steering wheel, you can see right there, it's starting to peel. It's like, bro, I don't even have that many miles on the freaking car, bro, and it's already starting to peel. But that's not a big deal, because I am going to be swapping it. So I revealed another mod, you guys, and you guys only know the mods because you loyal to the channel. I mean, loyal to the channel. You guys been watching the vlog, so that's another mod that's gonna happen later on down the line. This happened to pretty much everybody. Let me know if you got a sport, and I'm pretty sure you guys gonna say the exact same thing that has happened to you guys sports also. And that's 2. And then 3, what we're gonna do is going back on like the first thing. I want to say Fords. I don't know if this is on every performance car that they have with big brakes in the front, but if you guys don't know about the sport, you're new to the sport or whatever, you don't know much about it, the sport has bigger rotors. Let me show you guys. The sport has bigger rotors in the front than it does in the rear. And I do have upgraded brakes and rotors on the car. And third thing I hate is Ford's big brake system. I don't know what they did or whatever. I don't know if this happened to everybody, but when I first got the car, I got the car on 25K miles. The brakes was already warped, so it was a lease. I don't know if dude was beating on it or whatever, but pretty much in pristine condition. That's the only thing that was wrong with when I got it. And I'm like, bro, this car only got 25,000 miles on it. How in the world are the rotors warped already? But I get it. After living with the car a little longer, or for a little while, I noticed they apply mad pressure to the front. But the factory brakes that come on the car, complete garbage. Complete garbage. So you do have to opt for a big brake kit, which you have power stop brakes and you have EBC. EBC are ridiculous price. I'm not gonna lie to you. They are like $800, but the track brakes, but only kind about the EBC brakes are that they squeak. That's the only thing. Other than that, they're amazing. But I can't afford that. Well, I can, but I'm not gonna put down on brakes and rotors. So shout out to Power Stop. They looked out for your boy and sent me out some good brakes and rotors. I've been using them on all my cars. Well, all the cars I started modifying, which are the which was my Mustang and this one. I didn't really get too deep in depth on my first Fusion. It was just a couple little aesthetic things. But S3, and it's really hard making this list because, you know, this is my dream car and I love this car. Oh, what else? Oh, the biggest gripe in the community. This might have to be number one. The biggest gripe in the community. I don't have my keys on me, but there we go, they laid up. All right, so this is the biggest issue. Ford, what was you doing? And that I had to buy these custom LEDs. This, I still got the window sticker. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, but this car was $40,000. $40K. Why don't these lights light up? In the $30,000 or $35,000 titanium, they lights light up right here. What is going on, Ford? Come on now. And halogen, bro. And the halogen puddle lights too. Come on, Ford, bro. But that's 4 on my list right now. But it definitely should have been number 1 because everybody in the community hate that. And still waiting on those light upgrades. Trying to be different, man. I should just went with the normal ones. But anyway, that's a whole nother story when I get into that video. Oh yeah, this list is kind of like all out of whack, but I'm just gonna keep going in the order that I'm in right now. So, all right, sorry you guys. But anyway, getting back to right into the video. So pretty much, the 5th and final thing is this should have been the second one. However, my numbers and list is all off right now. Don't mind me, but anyway, I'm gonna put it all. I'm sorry. I'm put it all back in order once I finish this last one. This is what everybody. This is another thing that everybody hates. It's this is probably the number 1 thing everybody hates. This, and then the rear lights. But however, the transmission. Everybody hates the transmission. I hate it too. Same transmission I had on my first Fusion, and that was only making like 300 horsepower. It was probably like making like, almost like 275 to 280 to the front wheels. But this is a car making dang near 380 probably to all wheels and getting that same transmission. I don't know if it was reworked or not, but same exact transmission. It's the biggest flaw on this car. That's why most people don't like it. If we'd have got a 8-speed or upgraded 8-speed or a 6-speed out the Mustang, the 10-speed, I don't think the 10-speed was out during the generation. Actually, it was, because this is a 2018, and the Mustangs got the 2018 Mustangs had the 10-speed. So if we had that, or even Ford would have put a manual option in this car, because they do have a manual for the Fusion. It's the 13 through 16 model. Those have a manual option. But however, if we got a different transmission, this car would have been on top of the world. And that's how it gets bashed, because of the transmission. And once you start making a lot of power, that's one of the things that gets one of the first things to go first. But there's something in the transmission that goes out after you're making a lot of power, and bruh, I don't even want, that's the only issue. And then in sport mode, the transmission it feels like it doesn't even know what gear to go in. So that's another thing. So if I could restate this whole list, what I put first is the transmission I don't like, and then the rear breaker lights, that they're not full LED all lit up. They're just like the SE models, like the normal models. And Ford, no, that was not weight saving, so don't even try to go there, Ford. But anyway, you guys, so I'll put transmission first, the brake lights, then definitely the steering wheel. No, then the mod support, steering wheel, and then the rotors. That's it. So that's my 5 things I don't like about the car. But that was just not an easy video to make, like I said earlier in the video, because I love this car. Dream car. It's one of my obtainable dream cars, and see, I obtained it. next one coming hopefully. I don't know. I'm not gonna say it. Well, I didn't say it in a couple videos, but you guys gotta stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and also going back on the giveaway. I'm not about to be shouting out the giveaway like almost every video, whatever, every other video maybe. But I just want to touch bases on the giveaway. The giveaway is doing really good. I think we got like 14 people entering it right now, which is amazing. Shout out to you guys. And what we're gonna do is, if we get the winner, then we're gonna ask you what you want. So you have to be available. They do it in the video and then record it. Upload it later. But however, I'm gonna probably just shoot you a DM on Instagram or whatever. Probably just make it easier since you follow me on Instagram. That's part of the step, and that's why I did that. Also, just have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel, bro. Just defeat the purpose of me doing a giveaway. I'll do a giveaway people that's not subscribed. So we'll be checking if you're subscribed. If you're not, the entry is automatically invalid because you're not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. That way, if you win, if you win, you guys can actually get the gift. You guys can choose what you want. But like you see, we only have like, the numbers are vastly growing, and then our views is going up. So big shout out to y'all, and I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, because man, this is crazy. Like, we made that 500 subscriber video, and right after that we gained like immediately like 5 subscribers. I'm like, whoa, this is way faster than it was getting to 0 to 500. But anyway, guys, shout out to y'all again, once again. And also, we got 500 subscribers. The numbers have been going, like, I want to say, not, if not every day, every other day we're getting subscribers, so, which is amazing. And the views are going up crazy. So we made that video, like, I want to say, I don't know if it was a couple weeks ago or a month ago. I got to check the analytics. But however, we gained 26 followers since then. Subscribers since then. This is so dope, y'all. And the Instagram channel was going crazy. And also, a lot of people don't really like to say how to grow the social media account. I know how to do that. So I started my car channel from 0, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, how to get more followers and stuff, so you guys can grow your channel. I kind of figured out the analytics of Instagram, but I'm not 100% positive. But I've been getting, my likes been increasing or whatever, so I'll make a video on that also. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel to be entered in the giveaway. And I'm really excited about this giveaway, guys, because I just want to show my appreciation for you guys subscribing to the channel. And don't get me wrong, I love the car. I love the car. This is just a video, guys. And the 5 things I love about the car is going to be a way much easier video to do. So that's coming up soon also. And the wheel video is definitely coming soon. The weather's starting to clear up just a little bit. It's still very cold out here. As you can see, I got a big bubble on, got a puffer on. So it's still kind of cold out here, and there was a little bit of snow flurries out here earlier, so I was gonna put them on actually too. But when I saw them snow flurries, I'm like, you know what, God trying to tell me something. He said, don't put them on yet. So that's what I got from it. And I read little signs like that, so I'm not gonna put them on yet. I'm gonna wait. But anyway, y'all, that's what we're gonna do. And so stay tuned for that video. That video is gonna be legendary, y'all. When I say legendary, I mean legendary. I got a whole spot for photos I got already picked out, waiting on the mount up. So, and if you guys watch the video thus far, I'm gonna tell you guys something. So this is just me being lazy, you guys. Everybody be like, bro, why don't you get the focus on the card. Why don't you get the Take big mouth intake? I have one. I have one, but I just been busy and pretty much lazy to actually put it in there. I have one. I just gotta wrap it, and then I ain't gonna include that. But I have one, you guys. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do to it, because the trolls out there, they're trying to take my they trying to take the whole build away. But that's a whole nother video. Thanks for liking and subscribing the videos, you guys. It really doesn't go unnoticed. I really appreciate you guys. Well, however, stay tuned for the next video. It's coming sooner than you think. I finally got some time to actually make the video. So don't ever forget, trust God, never lose faith, because He never loses faith in trusting you. Peace.